right, let's get to this. We're gonna start out working on our stock. Any extra stock that we make today, we're gonna go ahead and attribute that to a later point in time, because we're just going to make a general basic stock. I'm gonna take a few bell pepper chunks that I've got. Take a half dozen cloves of garlic. Half of an onion. Got a few carrots. We're gonna go ahead and add in, say about 3 bay leaves. Got about 20 peppercorns. Give it a little hidden depth of flavor with 2 chipotles. Got some older chicken stock here. And we're going to put in our 4 pounds of dark meat chicken, legs and thighs only. If you feel like using breasts, go ahead and use breasts. It's not my forte to want to use breasts. The flavor's not as good. Now that may seem like a lot for what we're doing, but we are going to cook this down a significant amount and fortify the flavors and enrich this fully. All right, for right now, that looks good. I'm going to bring it up to a boil, and then I'll drop it down to right about low. Just keep it at a very slow simmer for a good 30 to 35 minutes. With the dark meat, you want to make sure that the connective joints get fully cooked. That way, everything pulls quite nicely when we get ready to make our next step. All right, chicken is out. We've pulled the meat from the bones. We're gonna shred that here in just a moment. But at this point, you wanna come back through, and after you've cracked your bones, just use the back of a knife. That we're looking to get all the bone marrow and connective tissue broke down into our stock, but come through and pull some of this fat off of the top. A little bits of oil will collect up on the top, and we're looking to have a nice clean broth. Now she's a nice clean broth. If you got a couple dots, that's fine. You can leave just a few. Let's go ahead and get this strained. Run your chicken stock through a colander first. Then take a set of mesh screens. I prefer to have a small micro screen to get the best results out of my consomme broth. We're going to pull any of the solids that are left in there that are visual right on out. I prefer to even take it a step further. I keep one of these extra coffee filters for an automatic coffee maker. It has a super fine micron screen to it. Cloudiness in your chicken stock will come from the solids that are left in her. So if you can screen out as many and as much as you can come out with some beautiful clear chicken stock. If you have paper filters, I could even go one step further
Chop or shred the chicken. There's 1,001 uses for chicken. Use the pitcher. Put your chicken stock into separate storage containers. If you're going to freeze it, it'll freeze up to a year.